You're looking into the eyes of a robot, and he's looking back at you. He's curious about who you are and what you're up to. This is Vector. This is a video about Vector. He's a new creation from Anki.
He is a character, a robot that is meant to live in your home. He's always on, he's alive.
The idea is really that Vector becomes part of the family or that home, both on the emotional character side, but then also on the utility side.
Vector is really the first robot that uses advanced deep neural networks to do a lot of perception and understanding of the world around him.
What he does feels intentional. He can react to inputs in his environment and his life.
We generally want to find one defining feature and then build from that. For Vector, curiosity was a big one.
What they're saying is you officially live in a time when robot sidekicks are a real thing.
Hey, Vector, give me a fist bump.
It's a step closer to that sci-fi robot, that everyone wants to be friends with.
That step closer means you've got a robot in your house waiting for you to get home. Autonomous like a Mars rover, aware enough to avoid falls like a tightrope walker, ooh, and always excited to welcome you home like a loyal companion.
What's up, Vector?
Jason.
Vector's no slouch roommate either. He's happiest when he's helping out. Ask him the weather, and he'll show you. He can set a timer and cause a commotion when it's finished. Activate robot alarm. And he can connect his robot brain to the internet to answer your questions.
Definition of life, the characteristic state in the world of living.
He's a little robot who brings a lot to your house. He's also a little robot with nearly 700 parts. That one right there, that's his soul part. Okay, I made that one up, but the little guy's got soul. Let's get someone in here to tell him what all this stuff acted for. Vector is ready to live in your house. Or at least he will be after this nap. Sweet robot dreams, buddy.
Last year, Oaklean released the world's most powerful and truly smart sonic electric toothbrush. The flagship product, Oaklean One, earned the prestigious Red Dot and IF Design Awards. Having sold more than 300,000 units, Oaklean has a well-established reputation for high-quality products and honest shipping times. Now, we're introducing the Oaklean Air. The Oaklean Air features a slim pearl-white casing and soft synthetic nylon fibers. It is the world's most compact smart sonic electric toothbrush and is developed with best-in-class BPA-free materials, ultra-fast charging, a 30-day battery life, and an ergonomic water-resistant body. It is at the intersection of remarkable design and exceptional performance. The custom-made motor powers the Oaklean Air at 30,000 strokes per minute to ensure a deep clean and a whiter smile. The Oaklean Air is equipped with a patented AI-enabled application that allows the user to customize their own brushing experience. You can also choose from a variety of brushing plans based on age, gender, tooth condition, and diet. This is the next generation of dental care. Get yours on Indiegogo.com. Oaklean, brush different.
We fill our time trying to remember everything. Our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Loomzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. Loomzag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the Loomzag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. Loomzag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. Loomzag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The Loomzag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is Loomzag's main mission. When Loomzag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place.